Hi, it's Dean from Leisure Travel Vans. Today we're going to talk about the 2026 Sprinter 3500 Series cutaway chassis that we build Unity motorhomes on. We build this chassis on 2026 and on 2027 Unity models. So let's go through all the different features on the 2026 Sprinter cutaway chassis. What powers this beautiful motorhome down the highway is the 4-cylinder, 2-turbo, 208 horsepower, 332 foot-pounds of torque diesel engine from Mercedes-Benz with a 9-speed automatic transmission. So great horsepower and lots of foot-pounds of torque to roll you down the highway with incredible fuel economy. Okay, as you come on over here, we can have a look at this. Of course, we got our chrome grille. If you order the Desert Shadow package, this is a black grille. Of course, we've got the high performance LED lights with high beam assist, fog lamps, plus we have our cornering light function as well when you are turning. We also have the wet wiper blades with rain sensors automatically come on if it starts to rain. You can now download the Mercedes-Benz app on your smartphone and you can lock, unlock, and remote start your Sprinter chassis. And that's free for the first year. Let's talk about our 170-inch wheelbase. 170-inch wheelbase, very important, so we have less overhang on the back of the motorhome. We also have our optional Alcoa aluminum rims. Don't forget, I've got 4 tires in the back for lots of stability when I'm going down the road. And you can have the optional Alcoa rims, and we go with 6 of those. So you've got the inner and the outer all done in aluminum. And then we do the Dura-Bright on the outside for a nice shiny look. And if you order the Desert Shadow package, you can get them done in black aluminum. Looks absolutely sexy. Another nice feature, if you're kind of in a tight area, the mirrors move all the way in, out of the way, so you can fit into a tight spot. And these are heated power mirrors as well. So lots of great safety features. Plus it looks absolutely gorgeous. You got that panoramic view. It's not like a traditional Class C where you're driving in a tunnel all the time. Panoramic view. You can see how aerodynamic it looks. You can see how great the chassis looks and attaches into the Leisure Travel Van Unity body. Looks absolutely spectacular. We're also very excited to announce on the 2026 Sprinter cutaway chassis on a 2027 Unity model year, we have optional all-wheel drive on the TBX, but we will also do it on the Unity rear lounge or the Unity twin bed. So you now have 3 different models with the all-wheel drive option. Very exciting for 2027 model year on the 2026 Sprinter cutaway chassis. We're in the cab area of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 Series cutaway chassis. We got an 11,030-pound GBWR chassis, 15,250 GCWR, that's your gross combined towing weight rating. Of course, we power this with a beautiful inline 4-cylinder 2-turbo diesel engine, 208 horsepower, 332 foot-pounds of torque. We have a 9-speed automatic transmission. You've got lots of power going down the road and incredible fuel economy. You see here, flush floor all the way front to back, so I never have to fall down into the cab area. And of course, we've got the swivel seats, driver and passenger. You can see how simple that they swivel and turn. And now my seat is part of the motorhome. And one of the big features on this motorhome is speed-sensitive electronic steering. It's absolutely to die for to drive. You could actually drive this motorhome with your baby finger going down the road. I don't suggest you do that, 2 hands on the wheel, but that's how easy it is to drive this motorhome. So let's talk about some of the convenience features in the chassis. Number 1, look how much room we have in this chassis. I'm a very big guy and I have lots of room, lots of headroom, right? And look how beautiful this Ultra fabric is done, all done automotive. Looks absolutely incredible. Nice tight feel to it, super comfortable. And these are heated power seats and they're all electronic. So I can move the seat back. I got lumbar support. It's absolutely incredible. Like I can move it down, I can move it up. It's very, very comfortable. Plus, if you have some longer legs like me with a 34-inch inseam, look at this. I can open this up, push this open, and now I'm even more comfortable going down the road. Absolutely incredible. Plus, the seats turn and swivel, driver and passenger, so they become part of the motorhome, which is very, very cool. So a couple other little things. We've got storage on here. We have storage over here, and I love this. We've got 1, 2, 3 USB-C charging ports, and we also have a wireless charging for your smartphones. We also have a 12-volt plug here, but lots of storage, lots of cup holders as well. 12-volt plug here for plugging in, so I should be able to charge all my electronics when I'm going down the road. This is a backup camera and a rear view mirror. Very cool. So backup camera here, full time. If you want to see it all the time, you can see what's behind you. And then in our MBUX, this is also a backup camera when you're in reverse. So full-time camera up here. When I'm in reverse, I can see exactly what's behind me. So all the great features that we have air conditioning. We have all of our heated power seats, push start on the ignition. Download the app on your smartphone and you can remote start it, right? It's free for the first year. All the controls in the smart wheel, all leather wrapped, are very cool. So you have your home page, which controls on this side. And then on this side, this controls all the items that you can see in the speedometer, which is all in color as well. You never have to take your eyes off the road when you're going down the road. And speaking of, look at this. This is panoramic view, right? Traditional Class C, you're driving in a tunnel, right? Because you have that big overhang. This is all panoramic view because this is the B+. It's nice and clean. You can see everything in front of you. Here we've got all of our lights for our map lights, we used to call them. Now they're called courtesy lights. We don't need them anymore because I have the MBUX Mercedes-Benz with intelligent navigation system. You want to find a campground? Hey, Mercedes, find me a campground. Boom, it'll find you a campground. Hey, Mercedes, find me a diesel gas station. Boom, it'll find that as well. A couple great features on the MBUX multimedia system is I can pair my Apple phone or my Android phone. I can have Apple CarPlay on there. I can mirror my phone onto the MBUX system here. And we also have Sirius satellite ready radio built into the MBUX system. Also, if you're surrounded by lots of Mercedes-Benz chassis, you're at a rally or something like that, sometimes they get confused and it says, hey, we can't start it because there's too many signals going on. Take the key, it slides right into here at the bottom, and then it knows that that key is for this Mercedes-Benz. Press the start button, you're good to go. So we've got some great safety features on the Mercedes-Benz cutaway chassis for 2026 that we build all the unities on. We have active brake assist, active distance assist, active lane keeping assist, so it keeps you in your lane when you're going down the road and it alerts you when you're not in your lane. You'll feel a vibration in your steering wheel. Adaptive cruise control. This is a great feature to have. If somebody's driving in front of you and you have your cruise control on and they start slowing down, the motorhome will start slowing down so you never rear end the back of that other vehicle. This one, Mercedes-Benz designed for me, it's called Attention Assist. It's gonna say, hey, you better pull over, get a cup of coffee because you're not in your lines. And a really big safety feature is crosswind assist. What that's gonna do, if we have some crazy winds start blowing, it'll brake you, slow you down, make sure that you're in your lane. That is a great safety feature. We also have hill start assistance. That is a great feature to have if you live in hilly areas. You're going up hills and you stop at a stop sign or a light. It will not allow the motorhome to go backwards until you start going forward. Everybody knows that Dean loves this next feature because of traffic tickets that I might get, and it's called Traffic Sign Assist. So it'll tell me what the exact speed is of the area that I'm in because it'll read the different signs and speed limits of that area. I love that feature. And of course, we have tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, which is a great feature to have because don't forget, we got dual wheels on the back. So we got 4 wheels on the back, inner and outer on the dualies, right, on both sides, so that I can know exactly what my tire pressure is. So I have a tire going low, I know that I can fill it up so that I'm safe going down the road. TPMS, always available on all of our Unity motorhomes. We try to order all of our chassis exactly the same, but sometimes due to supplier constraints, some chassis may be ordered slightly differently. So please make sure that you check with your leisure travel van dealer on your build specifications of your motorhome. Hey, thanks very much for watching the 2026 Sprinter 3500 series cutaway chassis. All the new features that we have on it for 2026. Of course, we build the Sprinter chassis on the Unity motorhomes, which absolutely look fantastic. Make sure you go and see your local leisure travel van dealer, take one out for a test drive. You're gonna absolutely love it. Hey, Dean from Leisure Travel Vans, thanks for watching the video.